we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
It's time to sweep my chimney. I didn't get around to doing this last season, so it needs to be done. Went to Lowe's and picked up this 6-inch chimney brush. Looks like this. And then I just like to take this top section off the chimney and sweep this part first. First thing I like to do is just take this cap off right here. So you can see the creosote has started to build up right here. It's mainly just flaky and it looks like it's kind of hard, but stick this in there like that. Try to pull it out. And it doesn't look too bad. Yes, it's built up, but it's not that bad. So clean that out like that. I just take the brush like this, put it in here like that. This stuff's mostly just dry. It's not that wet, nasty stuff that it's kind of like, it's not really caked on there that much. Here's the stuff that came out. It's just this fine powder stuff. So it's not that nasty caked on stuff that you see on TV or whatever, at least at my house. Here's the wood stove. This is the firebox. These are the secondary burn tubes. It's supposed to burn the secondary gases before they go out into the ozone to pollute it. So the fire comes up here, reburns here, and then it comes and the smoke comes up around this baffle that you can't really see right there. Okay, so see the reburn tubes here? They're right here. And then this is you can see the baffle right here. So we need to remove this right here somehow. And then you can see the baffle right here and here. So I just like to slip this back like that, pull this back here. And here's where the smoke exits, obviously. So see that? You can see the bottom of the firebox there. So now when I sweep it from up on the roof, it'll just sweep and push all the soot and the creosote or the buildup down into the firebox. Now with the baffle moved, I can sweep the chimney out. You wouldn't want your rod to get stuck in the hole, so make sure you tighten these really good. So if they come loose in there and your brush gets stuck in there, it won't be good. So I'm also gonna take this up there when I go up there so I can put this back on, because this one's clean. And so I just only want to have to go up there one time. It's not good to be up on the roof on the asphalt shingles. They tend to break. It's cold and they're brittle. So I like to go up there as few times as possible. Just want to get the brush, stick it down in there, and brush it like this. So here you can kind of see what it looks like. It's not terribly bad. And it's not that sticky stuff. It's more so just this kind of flaky powder kind of stuff there. Now you just stick this in here like this and start sweeping it. So I just like to run it. What? Fix it! Grab on it and pull it. Apparently we had a malfunction on the inside of the house. You got it?
No, it won't come down.
All right, I guess I gotta go down there and babysit the situation. Whoa, dudes. So it's not good. Look at all that. So it came loose there. It's just going everywhere. Just get the vacuum and vacuum it.
I agree. Now watch, try pulling that down. Everybody's like, just grab and pull. Seriously?
How hard's that?
Bill, I'm washing my hair.
That. So the brush just grabbed the underside of this telescoping unit and lifted it up. Look at all the creosote there. At least it's not that bad, it's just that powder stuff. All right, so round 2, we gotta hold it. So I'm gonna have
Amy
hold the pipe while I sweep. And then I want you to be dramatic in here, okay?
Yeah. Hold on, let me see. No, you sound like you're up further. You gotta keep going down. Yeah, you're getting better. Yeah. It feels like it. Crap! Hold on. Shoot. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, whoa, just hold your horses for a minute. Okay, now go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, go down. You done?
Probably gotta check this to make sure there's not a bunch of soot on the baffle. Like that. So that's it, the chimney swept, it's clean, and I think we could go all winter long burning. It's nice to know it's clean. It's nice to know I don't really have to worry about the chimney fire for now, but you never know what's gonna happen, you know? It's a little bit of a risk using this thing, but it heats my whole house and it works great, and we love the heat. It's just really dirty and messy. Everything about it's dirty. And the number of times that you handle each piece of firewood is insane. So that's it. Hope this helped some of you guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. All right, here we go.
Whoa! Oh, that was
Seriously, why?
That was awesome.
The story of my freaking life.
That was a little bit awesome.
Of course it was. Thank goodness it was rolling. Golly. I'm on my way up the hill and got this guy in front of me blocking my way. And he's like, I'm stuck, I'm stuck. So I'm gonna get him out.